Hello everybody. A lot went on today in the markets, both crypto and the traditional one. So let's have a look for crypto. The Fear and Greed Index. We're now at 24 and yesterday at 19, which is a bit strange since price did come down and the Fear and Greed Index goes up. But okay, we're still in extreme fear. And then also the stock market, there we were at 23 and now we're at 16, so extreme fear, which is really, really strange to see at the at the top of a market. So let's dive into the charts. For the S&P 500, I was first looking at the 0.618 retracement from this low to this high. But I didn't preset any orders. I just wanted to see where price would finally find support. And as you can see, we just did slice through all those levels. So now we are at, if you take the 0.618 retracement from this low to the all-time high, then this is where we are now. There's a naked point of control a bit lower. Maybe it's better to see if we go on a lower time frame. No, there we go. I did already take a long position on the 0.618. My stop loss is a bit below here. Because I think we take out this naked point of control. And that should be it. If not, yeah, then we go lower again. So then there's another naked point of control here. So yeah, it's hard to say where the whales will take advantage of the fear in the market and push price up again to short squeeze everybody. Let's have a look at gold. Gold sold off quite heavily today, but then regained again. Let's go to the daily. So what can we look at as a potential support? So of course the 0.618 retracement as usual. There's a naked point of control just below. So this is a nice zone of confluence, so around the 1780 region. Another one would be this low. Actually, this low together with this low and the naked point of control over here. Of course, we can also go down point C to take out all the stop losses which are there. And then we go up. And this is something typical. You sell off hard, you have a dead cat bounce, and then you come back to those lows to retest it as support. And this is exactly what we also have done here. So you sell off hard, bounce, come back for those lows, and then finally you run up. So maybe this will be something similar over here. If we start to close below point C, then that would be bearish. Silver minus 2.5, and actually silver didn't recover. You see, there's hardly any wick visible at the bottom, so this is a hard sell-off. So the harmonic pattern indicator says that we have a Gartley over here. I'm not too sure about that. We're gonna have to see. Let's see, do we have other retracement levels? Let's take away the background. So we have the 0.786 over there. Let's see, volume by price from point A to point B. No, there's nothing over there. Yeah, so from the pink pattern that I did draw over here, we still have the potential to come down to the 0.886 retracement. So this would be 24.37 region. Or we come completely down and we take out point A. So we will see what happens there. Then we have crude oil. There we have this deep crap where we had our first take profit finally today. So that was at 69.97. And now we're looking for take profit number 2, which is at 61.10. Then let's have a look whether we're better off in the stock market or in gold, and the answer is in gold. We're coming down again, so that means it's bullish for gold, and that also makes sense since gold sold off only 0.29% and the S&P sold off for the moment 2%. And then Bitcoin dominance, fairly stable. The Bitcoin, let's have a look on the lower time frames, what's happening there. So I took a long position over here because if you take from this point D, Fibonacci retracement to this high, then you have the 0.786 lining up with this daily support. So what happened over the past days? We had the weekly here as a support. We had the weekly over here as resistance. We did come down, did fall through it, found support on this daily, went up again, failed again to have support at the weekly, still support on this daily, lost it, support on this daily. We did come all the way up to the weekly to retest it as resistance, unfortunately. And now this daily and this daily doesn't offer any support anymore. And now this is the last one. I have a quite a tight stop loss here, because if we come down, then we might prepare ourselves for a long way down. It will depend on the stock market, of course, but if we go down from here, we have a point D to take out. So below point D are all the stop losses. We come further down, we have the daily support over here with not much confluence, and the naked point of control for the run up from 20k to 42k. So yeah, it doesn't look too good. Ethereum, on the 8-hour time frame, we had a cipher pattern, and this one now changed into a shark. So here in red you still can see the cipher pattern. The disadvantage of this shark is that actually we can go all the way down to the 1.13 retracement. So let's have a look. That's around here. So the 1620 to 30 region, that would still be a valid shark. So yeah, also here for Ethereum I took a small long position, but I'm not too sure it will work out. But okay, you can always try, and with the proper risk management it shouldn't be a problem to close it out with a loss. Okay, I think that was it. So let's have a look at the algo trading. So Tezos, there we have the sell. Dogecoin, still nothing going on. So Bitcoin, finally we're making some virtual profit because we got the sell over here and now we're below it. Ethereum, also still no signal. The same for Bitcoin Cash, and then XRP also nicely in profit from up here, the 0.65. We're now at 0.55. So let's see how our account is doing. So we have Tezos now $70 in profit, Bitcoin $21 in profit, and XRP nicely $116 in profit. All right, and that's it for me today. So let's see how it goes tomorrow. I think you should mainly keep an eye on the stock market and maybe gold. See what they do tomorrow. If they are still bearish, then I suspect that Bitcoin or crypto in general will also be bearish. So yeah, we will see tomorrow. Have a nice evening. Bye bye.